What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're working on the Mini again. We're going to be putting rear struts on this. It's just the strut body. We have to change over the springs. This is what we got. Got them from FCP Euro, Meyle, however you want to say it. Part number is right there. The site 326-725-0011. I think the part number is the same for both of them. Yep. Especially since we're just switching over the springs and all that stuff. But I'm gonna put a canopy up, get some tools and all that good stuff, and then we'll get to working on this and I'll show you how we do it. I've already done the passenger side just so I know what tools I'm going to need, but we're on the driver's side now. There's going to be 2 bolts on the top and one down here that connects to the trailing arm right there. These right here are going to be 13s that are up on the top, and the one that goes to the trailing arm is going to be a 21. And then you should have these 2 lines right here that are attached to it, and you just move them out of the way, prop them out of their little hold down areas right here. You know, it's a little sideways. I'll pop them out of that, and then you should be able to lower it down and feed it out from the bottom. But I'm kind of set y'all up where y'all can possibly watch this. First thing we're going to do is take these top bolts out. I'm going to loosen them up, and then I'll use a electric ratchet to pull them the rest of the way out, just so it's a little quicker. Don't throw your ratchet. And this only goes in one way, the top hat on this, because the bolts are spaced out a specific way. Alright, should be able to use my electric ratchet now. I think my battery is about dead. Come here. That's the upper bolts right there. Where are ya? I'm gonna go ahead and pull these lines out. They are a little snug in there, but you want that. Now we're going to use our impact and a 21mm, and we're going to take the bottom bolt out. This is your bottom bolt. It's got like that little triangle washer right there. Now we should be able to feed it through. Just have to be patient. There we go. There we go. It's out. Now I'm going to put my coil spring compressors on this. I will tell you this is can be dangerous. Just be careful, and I'll show you the ones that I use when I do this. They do have little safety lock tabs on them, just in case they slip and it doesn't allow the spring to shoot out. But let me set it up real quick, and then I'll bring y'all back and we'll show you how I pull these off. So this right here is the setup I'm using. As you can see, it's got these little safety pins right here, and it should go in a little bit further. But you can see that it kind of keeps them from slipping and all that stuff. In case it does fly, it doesn't come out of the grooves. You can see that right there. And these are 19s. If you're using a different style, it might be a little bit different. And also my sizes on this right here may be different than yours. I know on my other side, the nut was a 16, and then we had a Allen wrench that goes inside of there. So I'm going to put the Allen wrench right there, and I don't want to come off. It's just stripping now. Let's see if I can break it loose a little bit. I think I might have broke it loose just a little bit. So maybe it'll work now. See if I can get this back in here. See if I can get in there a little bit deeper. Yeah. I'll have to stand it up. You can kind of see how I'm doing it. Holding the nut while I'm turning the actual shaft on the shock body. Should be good enough to come off my hand now. Yeah. Just remember the orientation. I do have new bushings right here because mine are pretty bad. As you can see, that right there is destroyed. Has this washer in it. We're going to switch this over to the new one, and now we can lift off the spring. Also, there's a rubber piece right here. We're going to pull this off and transfer it over to the new one as well. So we're putting the strut back together now, and I'm going to show you all the orientation this goes. I about forgot to. So you want this, you put the spring on, then put that on, then you're going to put this little hat piece on. Here's the new bushing or washer, foam piece, whatever you want to call it. That goes in, and there's a metal sleeve in there. Then this is recessed. Set it like that. Then the washer goes like this. Then we put the nut on. This is the strut mounting kit I got. It's from Master Pro from O'Reilly's, and our sponsor. But there's your part number, FM1622. We have it all put back together. Now this top hat right here will spin pretty easy, and so you can orientate it the way that you need to. Now we're going to take off the spring compressors, and we'll put everything back in, and then we'll torque it all down. Alright, so now I'm going to put this bottom bolt in. I have the top bolts in. They're not torqued down, but they are kind of hand tight. So I'm going to pry down on this trailing arm, and we're going to try to line up so we can get those bolts in. I think I got it started. Alright, and we got the lines also put in. These top bolts right here, they torque to 42. This bottom bolt down there that is to 21. That one right there torques to 72. Alright, we are finished, and look how much higher that is. It sits about 2 inches higher than it did before, which it was riding really rough. Like, I mean, it was jolting me around really bad, and it really needed this. So it's about 103 degrees outside right now. That's why I'm breathing a little heavy, and I'm sweating pretty good. I don't know how shimmery I can see my arms right now, but this is probably going to conclude the video. If y'all got any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section. I'll get to them as soon as I can. And if I did anything wrong, left anything out, let me know. I'll try to fix it in the comment section, or let y'all know what it is if I forgot something. I do have the Patreon. If y'all subscribe to that, I do donate a portion of that to a charity. I have the shirts, the hats, the stickers. If y'all like any of that, just hit me up on Instagram, because I am working on still working on the website thing. And I put all the items that I used in here and tools that I used in the description below as well. And I guess that would be it. Hit the like, subscribe, notification bell if y'all haven't already, and y'all remember, torque this tight, and y'all have a great day.